I'm gonna give my friend Bobby a call. Hey, Bobby.
Yeah.
Oh, what's happening?
Nothing much over you.
Oh, I'm good. You're not going to no parades tomorrow, right?
Not really, no.
Oh, you don't go to parades, huh?
Not really, no.
Oh, okay. I just got off the phone with Randy. He said he might go, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but anyway, if it rains tomorrow, I'm automatically going out there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but let me tell you, less people, more stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So hey, if I do go, okay. If I don't, what the hell? I'm probably not gonna be out there that long. Yeah. So you don't go to prayers at all, huh?
No.
Oh, so you're not into that Mardi Gras stuff, right?
No.
Okay. So you know what though? I'm gonna put it like this. I'm going out there though, to be honest with you, and plus I'm gonna go to the St. Patrick's Day parade next month and the Irish Italian parade.
Okay.
Yeah. So I don't even think my friend Shamika gonna go, but I'm pretty sure Shamika gonna go I'm sure Shamika gonna go to the Zulu tomorrow because it's right by our house. Yeah. Yep. Yes, indeed. You know. Bobby, I want to ask you a question though. Hey, would you like me to buy you a Tetris game?
Sure.
You like Tetris, huh?
Sure.
Oh yeah. So I'm gonna try my best to buy you a Tetris game, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Is Tetris Effect on PS4?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So on that note though, I'm gonna buy myself one. I'm gonna buy Randy one. I'm gonna probably buy. Well, I'm gonna definitely buy you one day. You know.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. At least it's cheap though. I didn't even know they had a Tetris Effect.
Uh-huh.
Do you like Tetris?
Sure.
When the last time you ever played Tetris?
For a long time.
Oh yeah. Hey, you know I love Tetris. You know what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.
So anyway, there was a place called Play and Trade. You know, Play and Trade. I first heard of Play and Trade in New Iberia. The man didn't know what the hell he was doing. You know, he went out of business. You know, so anyway, bro. I came to a Play and Trade here in New Orleans. It used to be on Chapatulas. You know.
Uh-huh.
So now that's gone.
Uh-huh.
So not that Play and Trade went out of business too. And you know, in 2012, I spotted Tetris 2 for Super NES. I changed my mind about getting it. You know. I said I ain't gonna want that. And I asked the man, do you have Tetris 2 for NES? He said no. And then I turned around and looked in the case. That was Tetris 2. That was Tetris 2 for NES. And guess what? I bought them both. I bought it both. You know what I'm saying? Tetris 2 for Super NES, Tetris 2 for NES, you know. And that was my first time playing them both. And I saw them on the commercials. Ain't that something, Bobby?
Yeah.
Yes, indeed. You know. So all right then. I'm gonna talk to you later. Yeah.
You too.
All righty.
Bye.
All right. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh Lord. Well, what else is next? All right.